I once stayed in my neighbor Steve's garage because he said it had AC and a couch. Turns out, the AC was a fan from 1993, and the couch was a pile of beanbags with a raccoon living under it. So imagine my joy when I walked into the 2025 DRV Mobile Suites Orlando, a fifth-wheel RV so luxurious it made Steve's man cave feel like a storage unit with snacks. Before I tell you how this rig has more bathrooms than my apartment, smash that subscribe button like it's your ex's Wi-Fi password. You don't need it anymore. Now let's get into this wheeled mansion. We're talking 46 feet, 14 meters of pure, unapologetic, residential-style opulence. 2 full bedrooms, 2 legit bathrooms, 6 slide-outs. That's 492 square feet, 45.7 meters squared, of space to sprawl out and pretend you're better than everyone at the campground. And guess what? You probably are. The front bunk room doubles as a kid's room, mobile office, or a panic room for when your in-laws visit. It even hides a washer and dryer inside one of the wardrobes. There's a smart TV with hidden storage. I think Levi Kelly would cry if he saw how clean this setup is. 1 bathroom's in the hallway, great for guests. And the master ensuite is a double-sized stunner with a 1-piece shower, porcelain toilet, and enough space to reconsider all your life choices. Positively. The kitchen? Oh, I loved the kitchen. Giant fridge, 4-burner cooktop, convection microwave, oven, island with a built-in dishwasher. Yes, a dishwasher. My friend Gary hasn't washed a dish since 2007. He'd finally have no excuse. Living room's got Thomas Paine theater seating, recliners, a soundbar, hidden shelves, fireplace, and a TV big enough to see from Canada. Real hardwood furniture, tile backsplashes, and luxury oozing from every vent. It runs on triple axles, 6-point auto leveling, and includes 100-gallon, 378-liter, fresh, 125-gallon, 473-liter gray, and 100-gallon, 378-liter black tanks. GVWR is 24,000 pounds, 10,886 kilograms. Cargo capacity is 3,076 pounds, 1,395 kilograms, and you get a 40,000 BTU furnace and 15,000 BTU ducted AC, plus room to install a 3rd unit in case you sweat like Steve does when he sees his credit card bill. Price ranges from $150,000 to $230,000, roughly $139,000 to $214,000, depending on options and how fancy you want to feel. Honestly, what I liked most about this fifth wheel is that it doesn't scream RV. It whispers penthouse on wheels with the elegance of a luxury yacht, minus the seasickness. Become a sponsor of our channel for just $1, the same amount Steve bet a squirrel could outdrive his golf cart. The link is in the description, right under the video, where I keep my last shred of dignity.